Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to see copying ISO. Now in this sum we have 50, 60 and height is 15 plus 25 plus 25, so it is 65. So first we will draw 50 on right side, 60 on left side and height 65. So first we will draw a box. After drawing box, we'll start with this part. See this. This height is 15. So you take 15 here. You draw a line. How much is this? 10. So you take 10 from up. See this. And you go down. Whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, I can draw this L shape. Now, after drawing this box, we'll see this part. This is called Dovetail Slot. They have given 20. So I'll take midpoint and I'll take 10 on both the sides. Then height is 8 mm. If you see 15 minus 7. So you go up by 8 and draw a line. And from here you draw a vertical line. Now what we need to do, always remember, whenever you have a dovetail slot, you have to draw it in orthographic. That means I'm going to draw ditto same, how it is appearing in question paper, in question. See this. I'll take height 8 mm and I will draw 45 degree. So we are drawing ditto same how it is given in the question. See, now we'll take this distance x and we'll cut it from here. Same on the other side because it will be same. See, once again I'll explain. You take this distance, cut on both the sides. If you want me to write, I can write x. This is for understanding. X, x. This is O, M. This is also O, M. So see this. Now what we are doing, we are transferring. Always remember, whenever you are doing dovetail slot, we have to transfer linear distance. So PM, MQ. I hope you people have understood how to transfer dovetail slot. Now this line will be dark. See this. This will be also dark. Now we'll draw this circle. Radius is 25. So rhombus would be of size 50. So you take 50 50, right? Then you draw longest diagonal. You mark midpoint. And from this corner, you can join to the opposite midpoint. See this, like this. This way we can draw curve, but we don't require it. We required half circle. So this arc, we won't be drawing it. This is point 2, this is point 1. So 1 to M. And we draw arc, right? But we don't require that. So we'll take 2 to M, like same radius, and we'll draw it from here. See this, it's the same radius. From 2 we can draw. After that, this is point 3. You take 3 to M. And you draw curve. Then you can join these two lines. So front portion is done. Now we have to draw the behind part. See this part. So from here, how much I have to go behind? 10 mm. So from point 2, you go behind by 10, and from point 3 you go behind by 10, and you draw tangent. See this way you'll get you take this radius, you go behind by 10, and you draw arc. It's called copy paste method. So you take arc, you go behind, and you paste. Let's say this is 2 dash, 3 dash. So you take from you go behind by how much? 10. Take 2 to this radius, you go behind by 10, and again you draw arc. From 3 you draw radius. See this, go behind by 10, again you draw arc. So by doing this, we got the behind part as well. Then we have to draw tangent. This line will be dark. Now see this, how much is this? 10. This is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. So 20, 20 on both the sides. So you leave 20, 20 on both the sides. And you draw a vertical line of 30, and this is 20. So we got this triangular shape. Now the width of this triangular shape is 10. So you go behind by 10 and you join this. So we got triangular part. Now circle. How much is this? 15. So you take 15 from here. You draw axis line. How much is this? 50. So you take half of it, 25. So wherever it will cut, from that point you can take 10, 10, 10, 10. See this, 10, 10. Again from the center you take 10, 10, and you draw parallel line. See this. This is how it will come. This is rhombus. Now we draw longest diagonal. From here you draw midpoint, midpoint. Let's say this is point 1, this is point 2, this is 3, this is 4. So from 1 to M, this is M. So see this, 1 to M you can draw arc. Then 2 to M you can draw arc. Then 3 to M, see this, and you draw arc. Then 4 to M, you draw arc. Now we need to draw polo circle, the depth circle. How much is the depth? 7. So from 1 you go down by 7. See this, again we will take this radius 1 to M, will go down by 7, and again we'll draw that arc. So it's a depth. This is 30 degree, and we can draw axis. We can give length, width and height. So whenever we have copy ISO, remember in ICSE board we have to write origin 30 degree, and we have to mention length, width and height. That much we have to draw, and wherever we have a circle we have to draw axis line. So if you are starting your circular orthography, circular isometric, then you please do this sum for practice. And we need to draw this line also dark. I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.